Hi, it's Hannah, and today I'm super excited because I'm partnering with Glaze to share with you their Dr. Seuss's The Grinch collaboration. I'll be showing you swatches of the entire collection plus a fun Grinch-inspired nail art design, so let's get started on the tutorial first. Before anything else, apply a base coat to help protect your nails. Next, use Who Wonder for the base color on the thumbnail. Grinchworthy will be going on the pointer and ring nail. Deliciously Wicked on the middle nail and You're a Mean One on the pinky. For the thumb and pinky nail, use Resting Grinch Face to create a glitter gradient look. Now use dark green polish to create a tree by first drawing a triangle, then branching out wider triangle shapes below the previous one and filling it all in. Take Resting Grinch Face again and fill in the tree to make it nice and sparkly. Apply a dot of Merry Whatever at the top of the tree to finish the design. On the middle nail, fill in an area of white at the tip to create snow. Then use a light brown polish to draw a post going down the nail. This will be a direction sign post, so add 2 planks going across. Use a dark brown polish and detail brush to spell out North Pole on the top and Whoville on the bottom. Not gonna lie, I did most of this off camera, well obviously you can tell, but it's so much easier since my finger's in my face, I'm holding my breath, I'm stabilizing my hands, so those are actually some tips that you can use. Also get a really good detail brush. You can see all the products I used below. Now use white polish to add some snow accents onto the sign. For the ring nail, draw a curve near the base and fill it in with Ho Ho No. Use white polish and a dotting tool to apply dots where the 2 colors meet. Then add 3 white dots going down the nail to finish the Grinch's Santa suit. Finally, apply a top coat to help protect your design and add a nice glossy finish. So that's it for the tutorial. Let's get right into the swatches. This collection has 8 fun, festive, and Grinchy shades that are amazing for the holidays. The first one here is Grinchworthy, which is a vividly vile light green glitter. So a little bit about the Grinch movie. It was made by Illumination, who also created Despicable Me, which is another one of my favorites. Up next we have Resting Grinch Face, which is, as you can tell, the unmerriest multicolored glitter. So back to what I was saying about the movie, it was released on November 9th, so I'm really excited for this new adaptation of the classic Dr. Seuss book that I've always loved. And I'm really happy that this amazing and important story of kindness gets passed from one generation to the next. Alright, so this is a rich crimson and gold glitter called Ho Ho No. Oh, and not only is the movie an important and amazing message, but it's also really funny, so be sure to check it out. Who Wonder is a bright and fun shimmering fuchsia. These limited edition holiday shades are available now in stores at Ulta, CVS, Rite Aid, Walmart, and Sally Beauty, plus JCPenney salons. Individual shades are only $7.50 each for full-size bottles. So now we're on You're a Mean One, which is a wicked deep wine shimmer. This eye-catching blue-gray glitter is called Deliciously Wicked. Lukewarm Wishes is an iridescent pearl shade. Actually, I totally forgot to mention that I'm doing 2 coats for the rest of the polishes, and this is the only one with 3, so you can see how it builds. And last but not least is Merry Whatever, which is a Grinch-worthy champagne gold glitter. So that does it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed seeing this collection and the tutorial. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you later. Bye!